Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a vlog for you guys, and today I will be getting a diva cut. You guys have seen my diva cuts from before, and honestly the last diva cut I had was about a year ago, or more than a year ago actually, over a year ago. The last diva cut I had was actually the one I posted here, where I have that vlog of me going to picnic and blah 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 and all that other stuff. That was my last diva cut. So I'm way past due for a cut, a trim, whatever. My curls are actually not that bad, but you know, the highlights kind of burned them out, and I just straightened it like last week. So yeah, I'm gonna need a diva cut. I'm thinking I want to get some bangs or at least some hair to frame my face a little bit, because look at this forehead, y'all. Look at this forehead. It's way But anyway, so I'm gonna take you guys along with me. I'm gonna get a cut, and I'm gonna get a cut by one of my favorite stylists at Devachan, which is Nevila. She was the person who did my first diva cut ever. So I'm really excited to get a cut by her again. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. So if you guys want to see how I get my diva cut, then please stay tuned, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook, and Twitter. And let's get right into the video. Actually, we're not gonna get right into the video because I still have to head over there, but I'm about to leave now because I gotta go. So I'm here waiting to get seen. I already have my robe on. So this side is so weird. I'm starting to get my cut. Hey y'all, so I'm under the dryer, as you can see. Yeah, so my hair was cut, styled, and now I'm waiting for it to dry. So what we did was, I wanted to retain my length because I want to grow out my hair, but Nevila put a lot of layers in it. So because I also want some pieces, as you can see these here, to frame my face, because my hair was looking like really flat. So she did a lot of layers towards the top, but still retained length, and just kind of cleaned it up because I did need a trim, since, as I said, I haven't gotten a trim in like a year. So that's what happened. My hair already feels like so much lighter, which is great because all that hair was like weighing it down. So I'm really glad that she did put a lot of layers towards the top, and I really can't wait to see how it looks when it's dry. So I'm gonna check back in with you guys once my hair is dry, so you guys can see. This is what my hair looks like. Okay, you guys, so this is my diva cut. So this is my diva cut. I don't know if you guys can really see the shape right now because it looks a little bit flat right now, but honestly, my length is still very much the same. I just had to get my ends cut, as I told you, when I was under the dryer, but I'm really loving like these shorter pieces here, because once my hair curls up the way it's supposed to, it's gonna just look so good. And I'm gonna give you guys an update in about a week. You guys can see my curls in its full glory right now. As I said, it's a little flat. It's also cold outside and stuff, and usually when you go under the dryer, it flattens the hair a little bit, so it's still not in its best right now. But yes, you can see all the shorter layers up here, and it trickles down really, really nicely, and it's still really long. So I love my DevaCut. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this little vlog of me getting a DevaCut and a little update on my hair. Yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook, and Twitter. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.